Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to enable or disable offline finding with Find My Mobile in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on security and privacy. Now in security and privacy, click on lost device protection and here you will see a offline finding button. So if you want to disable offline finding with Find My Mobile, then turn off this button. And if you want to enable offline finding with Find My Mobile, then tap on this button again to turn it on. Now here click on turn on to confirm, and then the offline finding will be enabled. So that's how you can enable or disable offline finding with Find My Mobile in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.